so we had a little bit of an issue getting the bolts out of the leaf spring hangers. They're a bit seized in there. We're gonna need something.
Seized is an understatement.
Yeah.
Ricky, bring in the heat.
Cheers.
Welcome back to Monroe County's Finest. I'm Mike.
I'm Nate.
I'm Rick.
And in the last video, when you watched us put that 12 bolt back together, we got all new parts for it, new axle shafts, new bearings pressed in, new diff cover, and we're getting it ready to throw it under the truck and mock it up in place.
With that being said, we needed to get the weight into the truck, so we put the engine transmission in, along with a little bit of a secret that we covered up. We didn't want to see you. But the reason why we got the weight in was to get the neutral line so we could get the ladder bars mocked up and placed in properly.
And once we get all that measurement done, we'll take the bed back off. We'll cut all the old brackets off so we can get ready to mount the cross member for the ladder bars.
Yeah, so let's get to work, guys.
Let's do it.
We got all the weight back on the truck, the bed's on it, the hood's on it. Actually, the secret's in there too. That's why it's all covered up right now. But to do this, we did all this so that we get a neutral line. It's basically a line to set up the ladder bars. You put it at the bottom of the center of your tire, and you go to the height of the cam. Now ours is, come here buddy. Ours is 30 inches. We got our little helper here tonight. So as you can see, the line goes here. I'm gonna measure to the frame, which, right here's, well, the frame's right. We'll be right about here with our ladder bar. So I'll measure this all out, and once we got it all set, that gives us a neutral line. The ladder bar should be exactly where that neutral line is. Sometimes with the frames you're not able to get it there, but we'll get it as close as we can. I believe for the way our frame is, we're actually gonna have to build a bracket down because the truck frame comes up in the back. So we'll build a actual piece of bracket that comes off the bottom of the frame, and our ladder bar mount will be actually mounted below the frame instead of in the frame.
So we had a little bit of an issue getting the bolts out of the leaf spring hangers. They're a bit seized in there. We're gonna need something.
Seized is an understatement.
Yeah.
Ricky, bring in the heat. That's kind of scary.
Are you ready?
Yep. Dude, I think my eyelashes burnt.
Alright guys, so we torched them all off, as you can see.
Got everything nice and loose.
Yeah, nice and loose. Look at that. So these fine gentlemen, well, one fine gentleman and wherever the other fine gentleman is.
All right, I'm right here. Just putting some tools out of the way.
I'm gonna lower this thing down.
All right. All right, hold on. All right. It's come to my attention that most of our viewers aren't subscribed to this channel. So do us all a favor and Subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.
While you're there, rub the hell out of the bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video.
And if you got something to say, put a comment down below. And if you like it, share it with somebody else.
I think we're done here. Ready over there, Nate?
Oh, he was ready.
He was ready.
Way ahead.
Let's just hope you know how to lower a floor jack better than an engine hoist.
How about it? Nope, he doesn't. Nope, doesn't. Definitely didn't know how to do it slow.
Well, at least it's down.
Well, it's out.
It was definitely out.
So now we're gonna move the jack stand, because we didn't think about this to begin with, but we're gonna move the jack stand to the front of the frame so we can wheel this out the door. We'll level the frame back out and put the jack stands back. We got a couple more brackets I think we need to cut off first.
We'll figure out those extra brackets and then we'll get back to you.
Yeah, we'll cut more. Yay!
We got the axle out and it's looking pretty bare bones.
Yeah, we're at the point of no return right now, so it definitely looks pretty stripped, huh?
I'd say it does.
So we got a couple more brackets we need to cut off. These were for the old airbags I had on. I got an exhaust bracket to cut off, some other odds and ends just to clean up the frame a little bit.
And while he's doing that, so we hasn't mounted any wires, me and Nate are gonna pull this trailer hitch wire plug out and just drape the wiring from the frame rail here over to the side so nothing gets burnt.
Yeah, I don't like melted wires.
No, it smells bad. So that's what we're gonna plan on. And yeah.
And you're also going to grind those
Well, yeah.
rivets off.
There's these rivets here that are all nice and jagged. We'll grind those nice and smooth.
We have gotten the brackets cut off, the wires moved out of the way. We do have some cleaning yet that we need to get finished up.
A little bit, but we're getting there.
Yeah. You wanna? I think that might be Rick. You wanna get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Look what I got.
Oh boy.
Ooh,
We got the fatties. Are we ready to put this bad boy under there?
I think so.
'Cause I am.
And
And of course it's face side up. Hold on, hang it up. Look at that. That's gonna like fit perfect in there.
I think
Put my
it
wood back
Put your
looks
wood back in.
fantastic. It is a great sight.
oh, it's awesome.
You're pointing
I know.
at the wrong side though. Over there's a great sight, not our faces.
That's true.
I was building
That-
the suspense. For
Oh, this is suspense.
that. Oh, it's ruined already. Here you go.
Look at that.
That's a beautiful thing.
That is awesome.
That's a lot of tire in the back there.
Yeah, it is.
That is a lot of tire. For perspective, that's my hand.
1850s, boys.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
What size rims are they on?
15s.
15s?
They're, 31, 1850 15s.
On a 14 wide wheel,
Or 14 wide wheel. Yep.
Awesome.
beautiful sight.
Looks great, especially with that strange solid rear axle.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Friggin-
Moving up in the world.
Oh yeah. This is great.
Let me close the door, it's freezing.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, Ricky, what do you think?
It's been a productive day. And anybody that knows me knows it's been a long time coming to have some fat tires under the back of this thing.
Absolutely.
Since you've owned it.
It's a great thing to definitely check it out with it. Even if it being mocked up, it looks fantastic. I'm super excited to see it when it's officially mounted in.
Yeah, we're
I,
getting closer and closer.
I can't wait to put the bed back on and then see what it looks like.
Oh, that's gonna be.
That's going to be awesome.
Yeah. So, yeah, we got a lot done today, and stick with us, and we'll get this sucker mounted under here next couple videos, and
Yeah.
It's gonna be glorious.
It's gonna be fantastic.
this is Monroe County's finest. I'm Rick.
I'm Nate.
And I'm Mike.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.